Hello everyone. In this video, we will generate the following signals using a Simulink and display these signals on a single scope with the separate inputs. The signals are sinusoidal signal, square signal, and sawtooth signal, and random signal. This lab belongs to the 6th semester ECE. The course name is System Modeling using Simulink. The course code is BEC657B. This is the first experiment we can do. First, we have to take one scope. This is the scope. Here, 4 outputs we require. So, double right click on it, right click on scope, right click on scope. Here, signals and ports is there. Here, we have to select number of input ports. Click on more. Here, we give 4. Then we required a sinusoidal signal. Just double click on it. Type as a sine wave. Just connect it. Then we required square wave. Generator. Then this one also take another. Then take random signal. This one connected here. This one is connected to here. Just change it. This is a sawtooth wave. Sawtooth. Amplitude is 1, frequency is 1. Then apply. Okay. Now it's the connection is ready. Just double click on scope. Then here we have to select this. Number of plots is 4 now. Click here. Here we are generating the waveforms like a sine wave. This is the square wave. Then sawtooth signal is and random signals. Thank you.